Thinking about cropping a video but don't want to download a bunch of extra software? You might be surprised to know that VLC Media Player, a tool many of us already have on our computers, can help you crop videos easily, quickly, and for free. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through cropping a video using VLC Media Player. By the end, you'll know exactly how to trim away those unwanted edges and save your polished video, all without leaving VLC. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open up VLC Media Player. If you don't have it, it's a quick download, but chances are you already use it to play your movies and music. Once you've got VLC running, open the video that you want to crop. Just go to Media, click Open File, and select your video. Now here, where the cropping magic happens. Head up to the top menu and click on Tools. Under Tools, select Effects and Filters. Don't worry if it takes a moment to find, just look for it near the middle of the drop-down menu. This brings up a dialog box with several tabs. Click on the tab that says Video Effects. From there, you'll see another row of options, and you want to choose Crop. At this point, things get a little more hands-on. You'll see boxes labeled top, bottom, left, and right. These are where you type in the number of pixels you want cropped off each edge. For example, if there's a logo in the upper left corner you want to remove, you might type 50 into top and 50 into left. The higher the number you enter, the more of the video will be cropped from that direction. It's a good idea to start small, maybe 10 or 20 pixels at a time, so you can see how the changes look. Sometimes it helps to think of it like trimming the borders off a printed photo. You don't want to cut away too much, just enough to remove what you don't want. If the preview doesn't update immediately, don't stress. VLC can sometimes lag with more complex videos. Make sure to hit Close on the dialog box when you've entered your cropping values. Play through a few seconds of your video to see how it looks. If it's not quite right, just repeat those steps and adjust the numbers. It's totally normal to experiment a little here. Getting the crop just right can take a few tries. Once you're happy with your crop, it's time to save your video. Go to Media again, but this time choose Convert Save. Add your cropped video to the selection, then click Convert Save at the bottom. In the conversion settings, you'll want to make sure your crop filter is enabled. You might need to manually add the crop filter under Edit Selected Profile. Just look for the Video Codec tab and add your crop filter string there, like crop equals top, bottom, left, right, based on the pixel values you entered. This tells VLC to apply the cropping before it saves the final version. Last step, pick your destination folder, name your new file, and click Start. Saving can take a little time, especially for longer videos. Don't worry. Once it's finished, you'll have a neatly cropped copy you can use anywhere, and that's it. You've just learned how to crop videos right inside VLC Media Player, no extra apps, no fuss. If you found this tutorial useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or if there's another VLC trick you'd like to learn. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.